is the XP-Pen Deco L tablet. And today, they've sent it to me to do a review, so let's do it. So, never really intended on this channel becoming a review channel. In saying that, if I'm sent some cool stuff like this, I mean, they were so polite, so nice. I don't normally use tablets like this. I'm more of a Procreate guy. I want to give this a try. I don't have some great Photoshop brushes, so I'm going to see if I can look some up. See how we go. So they sent me this product and I was trying to think of what I could do with it. So I went through my sketchbook, and what I think I'm going to do is, instead of trying to recreate a sketch or make something from new, I often go through my sketchbook to find old drawings. It's like an archive of just random drawings that I could pick from. I'm going to throw it on Photoshop. One thing I did find was it was supposed to have a Bluetooth connector, right? And I figured I could connect the adapter that came with it to the Bluetooth to my iPad and use it as an external tablet. Problem was the Bluetooth connector didn't come with it, but that's okay. That's not their fault. Probably just a manufacturing thing. I'm sure that it exists somewhere. It's just not here. So I'm going to use Photoshop. Now my computer's really old, so it's a little bit slow. So that's why I'm going to only color. One, because I don't have great brushes. Two, I'm not super amazing at this. That might be just a confidence thing. I don't normally use tablets, and I'm so used to using Procreate being right on top of it that the distance is just not quite doing it for me. But I found an image and let's do it.
My initial thoughts on this. I really want to be transparent with my community here and let you guys all know sort of how I feel. As I said earlier, a tablet is sort of a foreign concept to me. I'm not used to using a tablet, let alone Photoshop, to draw. However, I am used to the iPad, and what I do know is that I can't really compare this to the iPad. I'm not too sure whether it was the computing power I was dealing with or whether it was the tablet itself. That has yet to be seen. However, amongst doing this larger piece, I was able to learn that pressure sensitivity is a huge thing. Now, I know that Procreate has their certain pressure sensitivity. However, let's move away from Procreate. From my understanding, Photoshop's pressure sensitivity isn't that great to begin with. So what I did find with this was that although I am a very heavy-handed individual, I had to really press quite hard to even sort of get something similar to what a cursor would do. So basically you're using the cursor in this instance. However, I'm still quite impressed by the intuitiveness of this tablet. It's something I would recommend if you needed to purchase a tablet at a lower range. And I'm just really happy with how quick and easy it was to actually set up the tablet. You had to install a driver. I'm a bit disappointed that I didn't get that Bluetooth adapter. However, I'm very happy to say that this was quite an easy process to set up and an easy process to move through this drawing. So as you can see, I took a drawing, colored it up, thought I might make a print out of this, might make a t-shirt out of this actually, and call this thing a Morfatti hammerhead. But yeah, I've had this drawing for quite some time and actually glad I finally got around to and had an excuse to work on something outside of what I've been working on. So yeah, look, overall, I think this product is great for the beginner. Anyone who wants to get into digital art but can't quite afford an iPad or can't quite afford a Wacom, or for anyone who doesn't really use an illustrative tablet that often but might be a graphic designer or something like that. In saying that, I would like to thank XP-Pen for sending this over to me and offering up the product to trial. I had a great fun putting this together.
Ta-da! Past Jordan here. So that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to XP-Pen for sending me the Deco L tablet.
Thanks to the Deco L tablet, we now have a new product on our website. We have turned the hammerhead image from this episode into digital posters over at our merch table at jordantmystic.com/shop. You can find t-shirts, kids t-shirts, toddler t-shirts, even stickers, and get some digital artist print as well. We will have artist prints there soon as well. So thank you, Deco L. I have been your host, Jordan T. Mystic. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, never forget, stay
There's
weird.
still a part of me that's trying. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go.
The danger of being a famous YouTuber. Please don't give me too many subscribers. I don't know. I just thought it was cool with the prime and the red in nature, and I was making a YouTube video about it. Art. Don't you worry, I'm throwing it out. I ain't gonna leave it. Look, see? I was trying to be a nice guy and I didn't realise it was look at this hot dog. It's a good thing they're Levi's, you know? Pay me, Logan Paul, please. Just for that ad.